Garden birthday party. Picture description. Look, what's happening here? It seems a garden party is going on. Let's describe the picture. In this picture, we can see a beautiful garden birthday party. The party is taking place in a green garden with trees, flowers, and colorful decorations. In the center, there is a small round table. On the table, there is a birthday cake with candles on it. The cake looks delicious and ready to be cut. Around the table, we can see 6 happy children. They are smiling, laughing, and enjoying the party. The children are wearing colorful party hats. One young boy is raising his hand excitedly, and another child is clapping. On the right side, we can see a girl holding a yellow balloon. She looks very happy. Near her, there is a speaker and music seems to be playing. The children are dancing and enjoying the music. In the background, we can see trees, flowers, and beautiful lights hanging above. The lights and decorations make the garden look bright and festive. Overall, the picture shows a joyful birthday celebration in a garden. The children are having fun, celebrating together, and enjoying the special moment.